Sample lang ni ha. Mercy.
Mercy.
Mercy. Ano yung different word? You have to guess the word. You have to guess the correct word, okay?
Mercy.
Okay.
Mercy.
Okay. Okay. One, ha? Ang dapat ang answer silang dalawa, ha? Ikaw mo kanina.
Why coaching? Dapat say.
No coaching, ha? 1, 2, go.
Redemption.
Yes, we have 1 point.
Points.
Ayaw.
Okay. 1, 2, go.
Music team.
Okay.
Music team.
Testimony. Bible. Oh, nako, Bible.
Una siya.
Ako. Uy, sabog. Ano ba?
Una, ikaw.
One.
Sura na, uy.
And ask right Bible.
Handa.
Handi. Ako na. Handi.
Okay, 5 seconds out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next.
Undescribable.
Ah? No.
Kasama, display mo.
Indescribable.
Mauna to ba? Tarungan ba?
Indescribable. Hindi ko kalito. Indescribable.
Ito ba yan? Ito.
Tarungan ka, baka pa na indescribable. Okay, next. Next.
Ano din po isa?
Oh, na.
Indescribable.
Foolish. Ay.
You can coach your team, ha?
Gusto na siya forevermore. Focus. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Bill, usa na, Bill. Oh. Wherever.
5, 4, 3,
Forsaken.
1. Okay, next.
For our worship.
No.
For our worship.
One word lang.
One word, ito natin din siya.
One word lang siya.
Si Jessa. Wala na.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Forsaken.
No.
Foolish.
No.
Follower.
Ah. Okay, next. Next. Isa yung kauban. Ganun ha.
Ay, wala kang kadaymi.
Oh.
Pastor.
Ha?
Pastor. Pastor. Yes! Asa na ako sunod?
Blessing. Blessing. Blessing.
Disciple.
Ah, very good.
Butani.
Five, four. Inyo ha.
Ministry. Ay.
Okay, ikaw.
Suda man tayo mag-enter.
Bye na.
Prayer.
Oh, no.
Pila na may.
Ay.
6, 5.
Oh, mandali na.
2 words ha.
Youth leader.
Youth leader.
Okay, last one ha. Last one. No coaching. Sila na dalawa kayo. Hapos dito. No coaching ha. No coaching ha.
Grace.
Okay sila.
Okay.
Next. One line na lang. One line. side is fake. Ha? Real, fake. Ha? You have to guess ang word kung real ba siya or fake. Ha? Okay. One lang. Ikaw matanaw ha. Dapat. Wait lang. Dapat one. Dapat one ha. Paminaw. Sige lang. Sige lang. Paminaw. Dapat wala yung mag-alangan. Kaya kung mag-alang-alang mo, out na. Kailangan confident mo nga mo ambak ha. The word today is confident. Okay. You wait, my go ha. Fake. Real ba? Real, fake. Peke ba? Peke, tinuod. Okay. Real na dire, tinuod, dire peke. Okay. Ikaw mo tanaw ha. Okay. Asang real? Asang fake? Okay. Ready na ba? Okay. Okay. Pag mag-go ko, saka pakamumukan ha. Para okay, paminaw. Okay. Ang word is Hezekiah. Oh, Hezekiah. Real or fake? Go. Hezekiah.
Uy, dapat isa-isa ang mo answer.
Dili. One. Okay, ang back na ha. Okay. Hezekiah. Okay, go. Isa, fake ka? Okay na. Final ano na? Okay? Wala pa. Okay, he's a real one. Hezekiah, si King Hezekiah. He's a real. He's a king. Okay, back to sa kuan. Okay, ang next. Elihu. Go. Wala pa. Okay na. Oh, wait lang. Wala pa akong nagambal kuan. Okay, tanan mo wrong. Elihu, one of the critic ni Job God. Oh, mau kanina. O karon nakabalo na mo. Okay, again. Okay, tananan mo. Go. Back to na. Okay. Wait sa pag moingon kung go aya pa mo ambak. Ha, pag ambak ninyo, stop na dayon, okay? Okay.
Para exciting, word tapos go.
Go, okay. Okay ha, paminaw. Okay. Next word, Elkad, go. Go. Stop na ha. Stop na. Okay, it's a fake one. Okay, kamu tulo. Apila mo. Okay. Next. Next. Okay.
Maninda na
Zedekiah, go. Wrong na tanan na pa. Balik mo tanan kaya wala na tahog balik. Wrong. Si Zedekiah is one of the king of Israel. Zedekiah. Okay, balik. He's one of the king of Judah. Okay, next. Okay. Real or fake? Marcos, go. Marcos, go. Stop na. It's a fake one. Dili. English ka kayo. Wala na.
Marcos, ay, Bisaya man ang hawad ha. Atong trivia.
Next. Next one. Okay. Homer, go.
real manggut.
It's a fake one.
Okay, nakuha na lang.
Okay. Last lang, dalawa ha. Okay, fake or real one. Hiram. Hiram, go.
Hiram.
It's a real one. Real one.
Hiram?
Oh,
Salted.
okay. Next one.
Okay, para sa...
Next one.
Tag
Para aling ang
Limek. 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 Go. Limek.
Anak ka daog. Abil na daog. Joy! Yay!
Limek ka na ba si Lamek? Lamek ka ba itong paan? The real one. Limek.
Congratulations! Wala siya, bibilay ko yun.
Okay. Napa, last one. Last one. One yapon ka line. One yapon ka line. One line lang. One line. Okay, you have to guess ang place sa Bible and the book of the Bible. Okay? One line lang ha. One line.
Okay.
One line. Place ang dire sa Pikas. Book.
Okay,
Place. Book. Place. Book. Okay? Okay. Okay. Exodus, go. Book. Exodus.
Okay, mana? Balik.
Oh, balik ko ito na. Next. Kings. Kings. Okay, book.
Gaano pa ko?
Next. Ephesus. Ephesus. Ephesus.
Pesos.
Ephesus ba?
It's a place.
Please, Mongol. Next. Balik.